Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a quick unboxing and also putting it on as well onto the AirPods Pro case, and this is by InCase. So without further ado, before I get into it, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you like to see more content, please do subscribe. It's for free. Now let's look at the box. It's very simplistic, very small. Look at that. Okay, all right, let's get this out. There you go. Pops out like that. There's nothing you're missing here. It just came like this, you know. There's no seals, nothing like that with it. Okay, so that's the case. Get those out of the way. It's the book. Shows you a bit how to put it on. All right. That's basically it. Now the way you put it on is, you might think it will go like this, however it goes actually like this. This is to actually let it open. Okay, alright, and this bit goes out in the back. Now this really stays on, and you can sticky thingy this on as well, so this goes in like that. That's how it looks on the AirPods. It's got a bit of a clothy feel, but it's very fake feeling cloth, like it doesn't actually. So that's it. That's basically it. It's really nice. I really like it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.